In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a contract in Deel, the software that's revolutionizing how businesses handle global hiring. Whether you're new to Deel or just looking for a refresher, stick with me because I'm going to walk you through the whole process in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll have the confidence to create contracts easily, no matter where your team members are based. Before we dive in, if you're new to Deel, know that this tool simplifies international contracts, payments, and compliance, all in one place. And the best part? You can get started for free right now by using the link below. Plus, we've partnered with Deel to offer you some exclusive bonuses that'll help you get even more out of the software. So stay tuned. First, let's talk about how to create a contract in Deel. When you log into your Deel account, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click on the contract section located in the left sidebar. This is where you'll manage everything related to contracts, including creating new ones. To start, click on the Create Contract button. Deel will ask you to select whether you're creating a contract for an employee or a contractor. This distinction is important because it will affect the terms of the contract, including the tax settings and benefits. Once you've selected your contract type, you'll need to fill in a few basic details. Start with the contract name. This is usually something simple, like the role or project name, so it's easy to find later. After that, select the country your employee or contractor is based in. Deel automatically adjusts contract terms based on local laws and regulations, so this is an important step. Next, you'll define the contract start date, the expected end date if applicable, and the contract duration. This is key if you're hiring for a project-based role or if you're looking at a fixed-term contract. Make sure you've got the dates right because Deel will auto-populate the contract's key terms around those. Now it's time to input the payment details. Deel allows you to specify the payment structure, whether it's a one-time payment, recurring salary, or hourly rate. The software also lets you specify payment frequency, like weekly or monthly, and it supports multiple currencies, so no matter where your team member is, Deel has you covered. Once the basic details are filled in, Deel gives you the option to customize the terms. You can add clauses for benefits, confidentiality, intellectual property, or other specifics depending on your needs. Deel makes it super easy to add and remove clauses, so you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all contract. They also offer templates for common roles and situations, which saves a lot of time. After that, you'll need to review the contract terms. Deel lets both you and the employee or contractor review the document before signing, and it allows for digital signatures. This part is seamless, and once signed, both parties will get a copy of the contract, stored securely in your Deel account. Another cool feature of Deel is its ability to automate contract renewals and reminders. If you're working with contractors or employees on fixed-term agreements, Deel will send you notifications when it's time to renew or review the contract, keeping things organized without you having to worry about deadlines. Lastly, once the contract is created and signed, you can download it in PDF format or keep it within the Deel platform for easy access whenever you need it. Deel also stores all past contracts in your account, so you can easily reference previous agreements at any time. Creating a contract in Deel is fast, straightforward, and designed to keep everything compliant with local laws. Whether you're hiring internationally or domestically, Deel makes it easy to onboard and manage your team. Remember, you can get started with Deel for free today by using the link in the description. Plus, don't forget about the exclusive bonuses available through our partnership, which give you even more value when using Deel. You'll get all the features I mentioned in this video, plus a few extra perks to help you streamline your process even more. And one last thing before you go, if you're serious about managing your contracts and international teams more efficiently, Deel is a must-have. So go ahead and click that link below, take advantage of our extended free trial, and start simplifying your business operations with Deel today.